একটু ইনস্ট্রাকশনটা একটু ইংলিশে দেন, কারণ যে করবে ইংলিশ ইনস্ট্রাকশনটা ইংলিশে দিয়ে না, যে যাকে দেখাবো আমি।
Two lines goes together. The two lines as it is together.
Mm-hmm.
You have to put on the sign. Sign is like this.
Yep.
So go up. Then you can tape. You can write double set with this tape. Tape like a masking tape.
Masking tape. Yeah.
So give me one knife and pen. Okay, I'll mark in the middle. That's the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Right? That's the middle point of the minor.
Yeah.
But I'll mark over here on your paper like this, middle.
Okay.
Section. And you have to mark over here on the sign. In the middle section, you have to just okay, you have to measure where is the middle point. This one like 40, your one is 120 inches. 120 inches in the middle is 60 inches. So 60 inches you have to mark over here. This is very smart.
Okay.
60 inches mark.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you got this thing, and you know this thing. Your one is 19 inches. My one over here again 17 inches.
Right.
So it's 1 inches from here and 1 inch from the bottom. So put in the center over here and center mark over here, right? And you have to measure from the top of the plastic. Whatever you can check, the top portion and bottom portion has to be the same. You go like this and tape, masking tape. That is called tape, right? Put it over. Again you measure the other side also. Same measurement. The height increase like 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. Same side. The other side is 3 inches. Right? And if your one is too long, so put in the middle also. Same thing. So now you see this sign is straight.
Yeah.
Right? So now this is the tape. Put all the way top, half of the plastic and half of this paper. And pull all the way. Pull all the way. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Your sticker it will stay like this. Straight from top to bottom straight. Right? Then you can move anything. Right? Now your one is 10 feet all the way. You see this? Now you can cut as like a, don't cut a letter, just cut from like this thing. But here it's easy to cut.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If you cut over here, it's no cut, not cutting any letters.
Right.
So same thing like I'm showing you, my one. I'm not cutting any letters, just I'm cutting in straight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And same thing the other. Because that one is only 4 feet, that's why I cut only 3%. But you can cut 4, 5 as you wish. Okay, now that one is that section you have to do fast. Okay, hold it like this, and that one I'll give you one piece soft kuji and you have to press like this. Goes top to bottom, top to bottom. I'm not pressing whole thing. Just I'm pressing half, goes like this. Slowly it goes down. Okay, when it goes down, then press it. But you have two lines, huh? One together. You know, one the smaller letter, one is larger letter. You have to do together all set. Then second question, you bring your ladder over here, you go up and same thing. Take out the paper, but don't press it over here, the sticks over here. So you have to hold it like this, and you have to press from again top to bottom. And slowly up, down. All together. The bubbles, air bubble goes to out.
Out.
Same thing, the other person. So when you finish everything, then that paper and tape, everything, just slide it like this. The letter stays on the sign. With the sign, you have this one, you have to slide it. You don't pull. If you pull it, then come out the letter. Just slowly pin. Pin. One portion, then second portion, slowly pin like this. That's the way to it card. When you take it out, the letter stays on the board. That one I'm pinning, huh? Not when you finish everything, it's something like this. Right.
Yeah.
And in case, sometimes maybe you don't press too hard. And, that's it. In case shows little bubbles inside, maybe. Sometimes it shows, maybe if you don't press too hardly, maybe it shows little bubbles. Right? Right? With a sharp knife, make the pinhole, take out the bubbles. Don't stop. Then it's fine.
Good.
Right? Complete.
Sounds good.